It's funny. Dealers will say, I want to do this or I want to do that. They'll look at me sideways when they say, oh, I want to do a mailer to my database because they did one last month and it was very effective, right? And my answer is 99% of the time is no. You don't do another mailer to that database the next month. You're just wasting your money. Save your money. Let's put it into another tactic where we're reaching somebody we haven't talked to. They get a little, giddy when they have a lot of customers walk in the door from something you did for them and they want to do it all the time until they wear it out. Well, sometimes it's best to practice restraint. I have dealers that now for 10 straight years, we run a buyback mailer every 3 months. Okay. We don't run it every month. It's worked for 10 straight years. Why change it? But when we try to offset that, and go too frequently, you got a point of diminishing returns. You hit these people who weren't in the market or were in the market last month, and they're still maybe in the market, and a lot of them are already out. You got to give it a little time before you go back in and jump into that market. A dealer may ask you to do something. A client may ask me to do something. I'm not always going to say yes. I'm going to say, this is what you should do. This is what's best for you. Don't spend that money. I'd rather you save that money and maybe we do a pulse flight and we do it, 2 months from now when it's, one of the big sale days, Memorial Day, Labor Day, Black Friday, all these big events. If you're gonna restrict your media to the big events and let your groundwork go on a normal day-to-day basis with all the digital you spend and all the normal tactics you use that produce results consistently but without over targeting the same prospect, if you will.